Let's
We are
go.
going down.
Just run. Just run. Time remaining 0. What? Oh, okay, 1 hour. Okay, we're gonna go straight in again
Yeah.
and get everything.
Don't
wow.
punch me.
That was me? Okay. Sorry, I was punching the floor. Run. I got like a rock in front of me. No, no, I don't.
Go.
I'll go for the left, you go for the right. Go for the left, I mean right. I'm getting trank. I need trank. Give us the boost.
Yeah, try and get some arrows.
We can't tame it with that new dinosaur. Well, it's not a dinosaur, some blue monkey thing.
I got regular arrows. More regular arrows. Oh, dang it. I have a bow, but no arrows.
Oh, trank arrows. Yes, nice.
I got trank
I think
arrows.
Oh, that was you. Okay.
Where
Is that all?
Yeah,
I'm
that's all.
back
That's all
down
we
here.
can get. I got like 44 something arrows.
Okay, go like this way because there's loads of people down there. Actually, this way, this way, this way. Wait, there's a mountain we went last time. Where are you? Right here.
Let's just go. Let's just get out of here.
Okay. I'm gonna level up.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
First kill. Whoa. Oh no. Must. There's the ramp then. Oh, is that one of the... Oh no, it's a parasol. Let's try and... Yeah, new dinosaur. We need to try and tame it. Titanarchy or... I don't know. Spammy. Oh, stone. I only got 5 stone. So it's times 5 then. The harvest. Okay. Oh wow. Getting so much. Oh, a bug. Watch out. I need to make a... I need wood and thatch.
Wow, you can't upgrade movement speed in this game.
Can't you?
No?
Oh. Everyone will probably just spam that. And then just run around. Full speed. Can't you wait? That's annoying. Okay. I need more berries. And wood.
Where are you?
Right here. Okay, that's enough. I can make a pick. And what did I get? I got trank arrows and a bow. That's good. Trank arrows and I got meat. Wow. Okay, health, stamina. I can't do movement speed. No, I'm just gonna do health and stamina.
I don't know where you're at. Meet down by the shore.
Yeah.
Oh, I see, never mind.
Bit far. Okay, I'm gonna unlock some engrams as well.
Alright, let's see. What do I need to craft?
Spear. I'm on level 10.
There you go.
Okay. Got claw. I just need to level up to 10. Level 7. So... get a bunch of these. And I need to drop all my stone. Can make... Oh, I'm gonna make all my clothes.
I lowered some more of my settings, so I got like 18, 20 something.
Same. I'm getting 25. Oh no. My pickaxe. Put that on. Put that on.
Alright.
And I need my hat. I need my hat. Okay, there you go.
Get to level 10. So
I need my hide as well. Oh, yeah. It's gonna drop all of that. Stamina, health. Okay, level 8. I'm gonna go to the end, see what dinosaurs there are. Spino maybe. I got 15 trank arrows. So if there's a raptor I can get it straight away, hopefully. Okay.
Well, if there's a Spino, we can get a... We both have 15, so we can get that right away.
Oh, okay, nice. We got a bow.
Yeah.
Wait,
No, I
where
don't
are...
have a bow.
Oh, this is mine. Wait, what level is it anyway?
What?
Oh no, it's gone. I thought I had 4. But it never. It was a pterodon. but yeah, I never fell. Where's the shore? Okay, it's right here. What level is this? 5. I'm not going for it. Let's go for the Spino.
We don't have any beat yet.
Oh, T-Rex, T-Rex.
Yeah, we gotta stay away from that. We don't have any beat.
Yeah, we can easily get him. Get it.
But we
We
don't
just
have
kill
any
one
meat.
dinosaur. It's got insta-tame, don't it? Or something. The server, I don't know.
I'll go kill. Oh shit, that's a scorpion.
Wait, come and help me, come and help
No,
me.
there's a scorpion after me, and I don't have a bow.
Okay, okay. Oh no, Kano. Oh, watch out. There you are.
great. There's a
Oh.
Spino over there too.
Oh wow, this is where you were. Oh my god, there's raptor. I'm going for the raptors. There's 3, no. Okay. Should we go for the Kano?
Oh my god, run.
Get the Kano, get the Kano.
I don't have a bow. You have
don't?
to knock it out by yourself then.
Okay, I will.
And
Come
then
on.
we gotta kill the scorpion.
Yeah. I have no spear. Please. Get knocked out.
He's down,
Oh, okay,
he's down,
down.
We gotta kill the scorpion.
No, I'll get
the
wrecked by
scorpion's got
the...
the scorpion.
Ow,
Ow!
watch out. Watch out.
Dude, we gotta kill this. We gotta kill him. He's killing the Carno.
Oh no. Just leave it. Bring it down here, bring it down here, bring it down here.
Alright, shoot it. Shoot it with regular arrows.
I don't have any.
I do.
Okay. Ow. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna run away. Okay, we can easily outrun that. And then let's go back to it. Wait, we need to get like...
I'm already taming it. I got the scorpion meat.
Oh, nice. All of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Shouldn't take long, hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna get raptor. Got 7 arrows. Oh, there it is. There's one of those things. I want to see what it's called.
You can
We
try
can't
and
use-
tame it.
I'll try. Wait. V. Let's use one of these. I do know how. No,
I need to get to level 10.
What do we do?
Huh?
E. Oh my god.
There's a raptor nearby.
Where?
By the Carno. He was just chasing a stego.
Oh, can I get it?
Yeah.
How far?
Just up the hill.
There's like
over
2
there.
on the other side as well. Wait, I'm gonna try and tame this. Oh shit, and I don't even have a spear yet. Ow, what's that?
Need one
No.
more level. I can create a bow now.
Okay, I'm taming it. I'm taming it. If we tame that, that'll be cool. Oh, stupid ants. Die. Oh my god. Go away. Okay, if that chases after me, I'm dead.
What?
That, Bigfoot guy.
Really?
Oh, probably will be. Still taming. I have to wait.
Alright, I'm making a bow.
Is that tamed? Is a Connor tamed?
No, he hasn't even eaten yet.
Okay. Need to keep waiting for this guy.
Oh, he finally ate. Yeah, he's halfway tamed.
Should I go for a raptor or this? I'm gonna go for this, because it's new. It's gonna take a while. Oh my god, nope. What the hell?
After, we need to go tame that T-Rex.
True. I'm out of arrows as well. Well,
Shit.
well.
Raptor.
Oh, let me get it, don't worry, don't worry.
Knock
Okay, no.
Oh my god!
Wait.
He's down.
Oh, nice. Down. Okay, I'm gonna go back to that guy.
I'm gonna take some of the meat from the Carno.
Yeah. Just take off. Oh no, he's seen me.
Is he after you?
You gotta go behind him and do it. No, he's not. Oh, feed. Yes.
You can feed him?
You meant to feed him. You have to go behind him and then feed him. You're not meant to knock him out. Oh, wow. Okay. I've fed him twice.
How far is he tamed?
Quarter. It's gonna take a while. And you gotta wait, like, forever. Feed him next. Oh, no. Oh, I can feed him again. Nice. Oh, no.
I'm
Oh,
gonna
no.
work on making more trinks.
Oh, no, he's seen me. He's seen me. It
Just check
takes
arrows.
forever to do with this guy. No, I'm not allowed. I just gotta wait, I think. Gotta
Can you
keep
figure
feeding.
out why he's chasing you?
No. You gotta go behind him. And then feed him. Oh, he is fast. He's still chasing me. What the hell? Okay, I can't lead him towards you, and my stamina's running out. If I can get up on this rock,
You may have to kill him.
I don't know how hard it is to kill him. And he's gone. Yes, nice. But he's gone the other way, damn. I need to let my stamina go up and then do it again. Oh god. Okay, that was scary. Okay, ready? Feed. Oh my, why
Chrono's
did he...
up.
Nice. Yes, he's coming back this way, slowly. I think he's half tamed. I really want this guy.
Well, dude, you better
You
hurry
can step-
because
you can step.
what do you want first, the T-Rex or the Spino?
T-Rex.
You sure?
Oh, yeah,
Spino's tougher.
it's not.
Yeah, it is. It just
No.
depends on the level.
Yeah. Okay, go check the levels out then.
Not in front of you.
No, because you don't need a saddle for this guy. You just sit on his shoulders.
Really?
Yeah, and then you can like knock back people. It's really cool. Oh my god. I think he's seeing me. Okay, phew. This is so scary. Oh, don't. He's shitting. Literally. Oh my god. Wait till he's hungry. Oh god. He's seeing me again.
Oh my god, this raptor's level 27 that we're taming.
Nice. Nice.
There's
I
another
really
raptor
need
across the,
There's
across
like
the water.
15. Don't worry. I can easily get another one. I just want this guy. Oh no. He's still after me. Okay, I think he stopped. Oh no, he's still after me. What the hell?
Does this taming meter go down?
No. There's an ankylo down. Okay. Okay, he stopped again. Awesome. I can't wait to get this guy. He's so cool. Okay, he's nearly done. He's 3/4 of the way done. Oh god. Please don't die.
Raptor's tamed.
Awesome. 2 dinos. Another one coming. He's a level 7. This guy.
Well, I guess I'll work on getting more berries and try getting that T-Rex.
Get a bunch of trank arrows for me
That's
as
what I'm
well.
doing. I got 15 right now.
Awesome. Okay, I've nearly got this guy. 2 more times and then he's done. Oh my god, 1 more time and he's done. I can do this. Actually, it might be 2. Depends how he's feeling. Nope, yeah, it's gonna be 1 more time. Okay, get ready. This might be it. Yes, I got him. I have got him. He's a level 8. Okay, can I ride him? Yes.
Bring him back over here.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
I want to try and ride him.
You can't jump though. Oh my god, where? Oh, here by here. Okay, get
Is
ready.
he fast?
Yeah. Ah, he threw me.
He throws you off?
Yeah, if you right click. Oh my god. Wait. Let's see his down. Oh god.
Oh my god. Let me try.
I may jump on. Whoa. That's so cool. Right click.
Oh! You know what?
Right click. We've got to get another one of these. That is so cool. Okay, let's go get some
Let's go get
T-Rex.
that T-Rex.
Yeah. And then a Spino.
Hold on.
Let's do health. Stamina.
Whoa! The raptor's already... What?
What? Level 40? No way. No way.
No.
How?
Oh my god.
This guy's a level 3 though.
We need more meat, dude.
Oh wow. How? Access the inventory. Can you level him up? No. Whoa.
Let's go.
Okay. Wait. How many trank arrows do you have?
I have 19.
I need water. And berries. Oh, 99? You have 7. Let me get some.
Dude, I have 5 million.
Really? Wait, I need some. I'm not even level 10 yet.
I don't even know where
Yeah,
this
yeah.
T-Rex is anymore.
Oh, no.
Oh, shit.
Oh, mega cool.
We're at full health, so it shouldn't be that bad.
Yeah. Arrows. I need flint. I haven't got any flint. Do I need to level up? No. Where's my
Wasn't he
guy?
around here?
What's
Dude,
the
we may
secret?
just have to go get the Spino because I can't find them.
Okay,
I'm gonna just go get the Spino.
sure.
Alright, we gotta cross the water.
I need some flint.
Come on, dinos, it's swimming time.
Okay, nice. Make 5 arrows.
I wonder how fast that monkey can swim.
Let's see. I have no narco berries. I need more narcos. Where are you? You
I
swimming?
just crossed the water.
Okay. Can't see you though. Where?
I'm across the water, I told you.
Shall I get a raptor?
Oh,
Wait.
shit.
What's the water? Quick. I'm coming. Ow, something's after me. And a Megatrona. Pterodon. Whoa, there's the wreck. Oh my god, we missed him. Should we go back for him?
Huh?
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm across the water. I'm gonna go tame this Spino.
Same, I'm across the water. Where are you though? Actually, he's gonna get wrecked. Oh wow, this guy is sick. He one-shot a blimmin' raptor. Wait, berries.
I see the Spino.
See you?
Yep.
Where? Where?
I've hit him.
Oh, here. That's a T-Rex.
Nope.
There's another T-Rex.
Oh,
There's
there's
two
a
T-Rex.
Carno biome.
Ow.
The Carno and the Spino are fighting.
Oh no. I'm going to die. Wait, let me ride this guy. Otherwise I'm gonna die. There's a T-Rex here as well. And there's a Carno. There's so many things right here. Where are you? I have lost you.
I'm waiting for this freaking Spino to finish off this Carno.
I'm gonna get this T-Rex and wait there. I'm gonna stand by here. This is a good place for a base. I'm cold. Oh no. I need berries. I'm gonna die.
What is going on?
I'm not at full health.
This freaking Spino's getting wrecked.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, there's a bunch of berries. I'm dying. Well, I'm bleeding to death. Oh, no. I just need narcos.
Oh, I knocked out the Spino.
Really?
Yeah.
That's great. I want to knock. Wait.
We can have
E.
we can have two Carnos as well.
Okay, gotta get it then.
Yeah.
I just need to not get and not die. Come on. Leave. Okay. When's Mega Cold gonna
Oh
stop?
wow, the trike just killed the freaking Spino.
Oh my god. Oh wow. Okay, I'm gonna go for that.
I mean, not the Spino, the Carno, the second Carno.
Okay, nice.
Are you taming that
Gonna-
T-Rex?
No, I haven't even knocked it out. Oh yeah.
Chasing something.
My health is so low. Stupid Mega Cold. Stamina. Wait, I can level up this guy as well. Stamina. Melee damage, melee damage. Oh, why'd I level up? Okay. Narco berries. Okay, nice. Can make 6 arrows.
Let's take all of it off of this guy.
I need a load more than that. Ow! Ow, okay. What was that? Stupid bugs. No. Keep scaring me. I need my health to go up really quick. Berries. Metal. 6. Okay, I need about 30. Okay, that should be enough, maybe. 12.
Oh, how hungry are you? You need to eat some food.
Okay, I've got a lot of arrows. So I just need a bunch of narco berries. A lot of narco berries. Narco. Whoa, 8 narcos from 1. Okay, 3, 9, 10.
Oh, dude.
What?
I just learned Raptor Saddle.
Nice. Oh, T-Rex is coming towards... Oh crap. What was that? This guy's wrecking everyone.
I don't have any hides.
Okay, I'm gonna go for that T-Rex soon.
Alright. You'll be able to do it, huh?
Probably. Hopefully. If all goes to plan. What level are you?
Me?
Yeah.
Let me check. Shit, episode.
20. 2. What level are you?
Get it. Get it back.
Wow.
Yes.
I can hear you dying. Oh, okay, the
shit.
T-Rex is on the other side. Oh my god, so many narco trunk arrows, I mean. And I'm leveling up. Okay, that should be enough. Actually, no, I'm gonna make more.
I'm probably gonna pass out.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, I got 27 trunk arrows.
Did you eat it
Maybe.
all yet? Yeah, you have.
Maybe a bit more.
You aren't doing so good. Shit, I need berries.
I've got so many. Too many. Now.
No, I need narcos because he's not staying asleep.
Who? Oh, wow.
China.
Wow.
Shit.
Okay, I'm going for it. Actually, I might make one more. Actually, I don't know. You stay here. Stay here. Can I run? Or am I still heavy? I'm so heavy. What do I have? Fiber. Assholes. I'm gonna swap that. Okay, let's go for that T-Rex. I need that T-Rex.
Arrows on him.
Okay, I can't die. I need to increase my health. And then go for it. I need more hide. Have you got any hide?
Any hide?
Yeah, I need hide.
For
I haven't
what?
killed anything yet. Boots.
Oh, I was gonna make the raptor saddle with my hide.
Okay, you keep it. I'll kill something. Okay, I'm going for the T-Rex. Wish me luck.
Go get some wood and then I can create the raptor saddle.
Oh no. That is gonna go for me.
Wood, raptor saddle.
Come on. Oh god.
Did you get the T-Rex yet?
No, I'm getting it. I'm shooting it. You gotta help me.
I can't, dude.
Oh no.
You may just have
Why
to
am I
run.
so skeletal?
Holy crap, this freaking guy has
Oh,
like
God.
so many prime meats on him.
What guy?
My raptor.
Oh, this is scary.
Take that.
Hate.
Eat that.
Oh no. No, 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 no. 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 Stay. Yes, he's stuck. Wow. Oh god.
You got him
Not
stuck.
now. I need him to get stuck. Where is he? Oh, he's down.
You got him?
Nice. Yeah. It only took like 5 arrows. Or 6. I think he's down. Yeah, he's down. Okay, go get that sky thing. What are they called?
Pteranodon?
Crate.
Oh, crate.
No, crate,
No, I'm
crate,
still
crate.
taming.
Okay. I'll go for it. I'll try and get it. I got cooked meat. Oh yeah, I forgot. But I have no normal meat. Shite. Shite. I need to kill something.
Freaking our raptor's level 43.
How?
Huh?
What? How?
I don't know, but they have tons of prime meat on them right now, dude.
Can I have some meat? Where are you?
I'm across
I
the
need-
water.
I need meat.
I'll come across after he's tamed. He only needs to eat one more
Okay, I'm gonna go
thing.
get my monkey guy. Bigfoot.
Did
Need to
you
name him.
Bigfoot?
What?
Did you name him Bigfoot?
I will after get this guy.
I'm gonna drop some stuff.
He's gonna have a bunch of meat, hopefully.
What level am I? I'm level 18, okay.
Okay, I have 8.
I'm probably gonna make some hide armor because they have hide on them.
Wait, this guy. Oh no, this guy won't have meat. Cause I'm lemon. Oh no, I need some meat.
You don't have any meat at all?
No.
Oh great.
Parasol. I'm gonna kill this parasol. Hopefully. Come on, die, die. Yes. Oh my god, nice.
You're so lucky.
Level 31. Okay, I should do.
What level's the guy?
And I need to hide the Rex.
Yeah.
5 only. Oh god.
This guy needs to hurry up and eat.
Okay, I'm gonna swim across. Okay, this guy's so slow at swimming.
Oh, dude, just eat already.
Okay, I need to put narco berries on
I
that
want
guy.
to shoot you with another tank arrow because I'm afraid it's gonna fucking kill you.
Lol. Put some narcos in. Where's my Rex? Okay, here.
Oh, he's up! He's up!
Nice. And go to the crate.
I will.
Okay, how much?
Whew. Alright.
Okay, he's gonna be done soon. Soon. And okay, I need to make some armor. Health.
So where are you at?
I'll meet you at the crate soon. I don't know where I am. Wrap hide here.
Are you by the shore?
I don't know where I am. Wait, look on the map. Oh, it's night. Oh no, there's no cross there. Whatever, it's 12 HP. Oh! Go get it. Shall I go and get it? Are you at the crate?
No.
You at... Okay, I'll go get the crate. Where's this guy? Oh no, wait. Put some narco berries in this guy. Narcos.
I'm going to the crate.
Okay, I'll meet you at the crate then. I think my Rex will be done soon. I'm gonna lose this Rex, probably. There's a bracket
trees
though.
falling down. That's them knocking down the trees.
Okay,
I'm at the crate.
I'm coming to the crate. What's at the crate?
I'm about to go work inside. If I can get through. Oh my god.
What? No, you gotta give me some.
Holy shit.
What? What is it?
That's a lot.
Oh, trank arrows.
No, not just that.
Okay,
Oh, we got
there is
Lazarus powder. We have a C4 charge.
Oh no. Oh,
it's gone.
assault rifle.
Should have just broke.
I just took everything.
Oh, you did? You have an
Yeah.
assault rifle?
Yeah. Where are you?
I'm literally at the care package.
Same. And I'm too heavy. I need my...
Shine your light.
I don't have one. Wait, I'll make one. Hide. Hide. Okay, wait. I need some shoes as well. Actually, yeah. Shoes
Just shine your
and hands. Wait. Okay, there you go.
I don't see it.
Do you see it?
No, I don't.
Okay, you're a different one then. To me. Did it break?
Yeah, it broke.
Okay. Wait.
Holy crap, that's a lot of raspberries.
I'm gonna wait. Berries. Oh no. Can I just drop everything? I'm way too heavy. Where's our scope? Okay, there it is. Okay, can you see me now?
No, just go down towards the shore.
The light. Mega heat, nice. Where? Can't you see it? Wait, I'm gonna put it away. Let's see if my thing's tame. I'll see you in the morning. What time is it? Oh no, mega piranhas. I cannot lose my T-Rex. Where is it? I got a assault rifle. Hopefully I got bullets for it. That'd be cool. Where's the rest? I might have lost the blimmin'. Where is it? Where's the rat? Oh my
We have to
god.
kill these raptors.
I don't know where you are. Wait, I want to find my rat. There might be some more. Might even walking out. Wait, an increase.
We just killed like 6 raptors.
Wow. Yeah, you got a Carno. Where is it? We got a Spino. We got a
Yeah,
Spino.
I got a Spino.
Exactly. I can't find it. Where is it? Oh no.
Player location.
Oh wow. There's no one near here.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, there's a Rex. Oh no, it woke up.
Like, it didn't tame?
Yeah. Oh god. Oh no. I got 17
I
arrows.
think I know where you're at.
Yeah, look for my plaza location. We could go for this. Probably. In the morning. I need to make... And I need to put my thing away. I'm gonna
Wait a
wait by here.
Are you to the left or right of the blue obelisk?
Where's that?
It's the big tower.
Yeah, but where is it?
It should be.
Oh, there. And to the right? No, which way are you looking? You're looking at it, aren't you?
Yeah.
To the left.
To the left? Alright, then I should be going.
Okay, level up. Oh no. Oh wow. Wait. Oh no. What button F now? Oh G. Go. Oh wow. Should increase melee damage. Soon. Why am I still here? Okay, I'm gonna get some trank arrows to knock that guy out. Make one. Wait, I want to see these assault rifles and stuff. Oh my god, that's so cool.
You sure it just wasn't ammo?
Long neck rifle.
Not the long neck rifle?
Yeah. You got a scope on it.
Come on, doctor, let's go. Where are you? I don't see you. Are you at your light still?
Yeah. Oh, near it.
Whoa!
Shadow shark stick. Sweet. What is that? I'm gonna feed that to the thing. Hide stuff. What else can I make?
Oh shit.
What? I can make a shirt.
My Spino just died.
Oh wow. From what? Oh no, I already made
like
a hatchet.
5 different chimpanzees. The guy killed them.
Oh no.
There's a player.
Run.
I am running.
As far as you can. I've wasted a lot of items. Okay, let's make gloves. That's all I need. Come on. There you go. Under the ladder. Wait, I have no... Well,
I can't
Carno,
see anything in the freaking Carno.
you're wrapped then. You don't have a Carno as well. You have no... Run.
No, I can't see anything. I don't know where I am.
Just hide then, duh. Duh. Stay where you are. Don't keep walking. Oh my god. We gotta go for that T-Rex, if you're still alive. What's time? You got 5 hours till morning, maybe. Well, it is. Next day. Where's that T-Rex? I gotta stay on it. And I need trunks. A lot. Can't see, I'm gonna stay here. Oh god. Your Raptors are level 40 as well.
Yeah, it was.
No. Okay, eat some meat. I'm set, kind of. If I have ammo, I'll be good to go. And I need to level up as well.
Are you on a hill?
Oh, no. I'm at my survival location. You get so much thatch from this monkey guy. Drop a light. Oh no. Drop. Drop. Definitely drop. Wait, this guy can carry some shit in.
I'm coming into the survival location.
Okay. Metal.
I'm at it. I don't see you.
In the middle.
Are you sure you were to the left of it?
To the, yeah.
Because
You're not.
You're not here, and the other one that
Basically,
I was at,
I've literally lost it.
the other one that I was at, there was an enemy there.
Okay, just try and survive until morning. Try. I need some meat. I'm gonna look for that guy. I'm gonna stay here still. What else can I do?
He only has one of those gigantic things left.
Two.
The guy that was attacking me.
Oh. Oh, the survival locations are gone. No, I can't see a thing. Oh my god, I need it to be morning. What's time? Still 2. Okay, it's gonna be 3. 3 more minutes until 6 o'clock. I mean, yeah, 6 o'clock. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna go for that T-Rex. Or maybe that crate. Because I might have a bunch of good stuff.
That red crate?
Yeah.
You want to meet there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Oh, I see the Rex. That's my Rex.
Did someone else tame it?
No, it's mine. This was a different one. Oh god, yes. It's level 7. Okay.
Oh, did it wake up and you tamed it?
No, it was a different one. The one I saw before was a different one.
I'm at the crate, dude.
Yeah, I'm coming. Quite far. Actually, it's right there. Yeah. Be there soon. Oh my god, I'm in the water. Wait. Jump up and down. In the light. Maybe. Okay, I'm just gonna come. Oh no, mega piranhas. Really?
Does that guy
You're at
swim
that-
fast?
Wait, check what's in. No. Check what's in the crate.
I am.
Guns.
I haven't checked it yet.
Oh, okay. My T-Rex is coming. He's eating all
There's
the.
a Bronto saddle in here.
Oh, nice. T-Rex saddle. We could take down a monster. I'm here.
I'm actually here. I didn't
Oh, I
take
see you, I see you, I see you. Wait.
I can see your ape.
Yeah, I'm waiting for my Rex. Okay. He's coming.
Wait, you've tamed him.
Yeah.
Alright. Can I have the long neck rifle and the simple rifle bullets?
I have no bullets.
Yeah, you did. You took all of it. You have bullets.
Yeah, I got all of it. No, I have no bullets. What?
But there was advanced rifle and simple bullets inside of it. I even saw.
Was there?
Yeah.
Wait, let me drop this for you. Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, wait. Oh my god. Inventory, click. There you go. Mine has no bullets on it. Is that scope good? Look into the scope.
Yeah, it's
Wait.
a good scope. I just need ammo.
Yeah. Let me check if I got them. Again. Nope. No ammo.
Oh, you should have got some.
There was literally none. Why in this breaking? Oh yeah, there's still stuff in it. Okay, let's go before people come in. Oh, it's morning as well. We need to level these guys up. I'm gonna level this.
No, we need to get to a high enough level so we can create a smithing.
True. And there's 40 minutes left. Oh wow. Let's go for this try.
Ow, what is attacking me? Oh shit! A gorilla! A gorilla! A gorilla! A gorilla! A gorilla! I'm dead.
Oh my god. Where?
Behind.
Oh no.
And that is the end of that. Goodbye.